Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna get straight into it. I did get this UNice wig. No, they're not sponsoring this video. But you know, we're not gonna talk about that. It did come in DHL. It shipped in about, I think, 5 days or so. It didn't take long. It is the 13x4 straight honey blonde ombre. And it's pre-plucked. I got it for $280. It was free shipping. Taxes made it like $303. So let's open this bad boy up and see what it comes with. So besides the wig, they do give you a rat tail comb that comes with it, some earrings, and some lashes, honey. But let's move to the main event. Look at her. But look at her. It's pretty. But these are the baby hairs. It says it's pre-plucked. We're gonna see when I put this bad boy on if it works well or not. So the hair feels really, really good. But anyways, this is the inside of it. It looks like it is already bleached. And they have this in the back. Oh, they want sis to pull you up into a ponytail. Is that what that's for? I don't know. I think so, right? Yeah, just in case someone put in a pony. I don't know. It's my first time. It's my first time getting something like this. The last time I did blonde was like a platinum blonde, and that was like a couple summers ago. I did do a YouTube on it. I did do a video on it in my early stages of YouTube. If you go back in my past, you'll see like how I made my blonde wig and how I colored it and everything. That's when I did my last blonde. Like this is the, oh, I'm curling this tonight. Y'all don't see the vision because I still got this on my forehead, but I see the vision. I see the vision. I don't care if it is 180 degrees outside in Atlanta weather. I'm wearing this. I'm wearing the fuck out of this. All right, I'm always rushing when I'm talking to y'all and trying to get this done. I gotta be at the house in 40 minutes and I still gotta get dressed and I don't even know what I'm wearing yet. But you know, I keep on just know I do this. Procrastination, dub me, queen me, hello. Y'all not gonna be able to tell me nothing in this wig, baby. Nothing. How, what was it? What was it? What'd you say? Oh, okay. This hair is so pretty. And I put the little, you know, the little antennas in the front, baby. The little antennas in the front. I got the curly hair, the half up, half down. But what I recognize, hello, I just curled it. Doesn't really hold the curl. It's okay. It's not okay, but it's okay. But for the most part, this hair is pretty. It's soft. I love the color, love the color. I do name all my wigs. I do not know what this girl's name is gonna be yet. My last platinum blonde wig, her name was Bonnie. This one, I don't know. My wig that I had done 2 weeks ago, the little short wig with the little hoop shortcut, her name is Erica. Shout out to Tina for that name. This one, you know what? I'm gonna name her Mercedes. This one is Mercedes. Yep, I like it. I like the vibes. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching and coming back to my channel. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.